Okay, hello YouTube. Just want to shoot a quick video about something that I'm about to be launching. Okay, this is called Profits Express, and we haven't launched it yet, but we're quite close. This is going to be something for people who are looking to build a passive income without necessarily having to build a team. Okay, this is something that I really feel quite excited about because it's very accessible for a lot of people who have struggled in building a team. But obviously, for those who are, looking to, just to be able to have tools available to be able to share, because obviously there are benefits in building a team and in what we're working with here. And that's going to be powerful for a lot of people to have that option, but still earn rewards, even if you struggle in building a team. So we've got a system that we're going to be bringing out very soon. I'm partnering up with a gentleman who's also very much excited about what we're putting together here for you guys. So you're going to be able to get access to a lot of great shareable tools and nice pages that you're going to be able to instantly get access and use to help you skyrocket your profits and rewards. So that's what we're going to be launching very soon. I'm not ready to launch just yet. We are going to be launching in the next matter of days, maybe even within a day or two. We'll just let you know. So stay tuned. And I'll be announcing on this channel, and you can get in touch with me just so that you know that this is coming, and we'll be able to give you access to our Facebook group as well when the time comes. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, and we'll bring you in, and you'll be able to get access to this. So comment below. Let me know that you're excited, that you're keen, and you want to be a part of this. And also just give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video, which will be probably tomorrow or